Oh, wow. First thing, I just want to say I'm so excited for this opportunity. I've loved McDonald's my entire life. I remember when I was a kid, my parents would.
That's great. We're just doing this for legal reasons, so let's just get this over with.
Yummy, it's McDonald's Chicken McNuggets. All white meat, boneless, factory farm chicken treated with vaccines and hormones.
Cut! Just read the ingredients. Don't tell them about the factory farm stuff.
Yummy, it's McDonald's Chicken McNuggets. Chicken, water and salt, enriched flour, yellow corn flour, bleached wheat flour, baking soda, cornstarch, wheat starch, modified food starch, dextrose, riboflavin, folic acid, spices, and thiamine mononitrate, which can lead to severe liver damage.
Cut!
Niacin, citric acid, reduced iron, calcium lactate, sodium phosphate, sodium acid pyrophosphate, sodium aluminum phosphate, monocalcium phosphate, all of which are linked to chronic kidney disease, weak bones, and premature death.
Cut!
Why don't you guys just make it out of chicken?
Cut!
Autolyzed yeast extract, which is basically MSG, natural flavoring, which can mean anything, safflower oil, vegetable oil, and hydrogenated soybean oil with TBHQ, a chemical preservative, which is a form of butane and is linked to stomach tumors.
Cut!
And finally, dimethylpolysiloxane, which is a silicone that's used in cosmetics and breast implants and silly putty and to treat head lice. Yummy. McDonald's, eat like a champion.
Okay, now take a bite of the McNugget.